Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sweet potato casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 large sweet potatoes, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For your topping, you'll need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of pecans. To a large pot, add your water, then add your sweet potatoes. Allow the sweet potatoes to cook for 35 to 40 minutes or until they can be easily pierced with a fork. After 40 minutes, turn off the heat, then drain the water. Then allow your potatoes to sit until they have completely cooled. To make the topping, add the pecans to the food processor, then chop them into small pieces. To a separate bowl, add your brown sugar and flour. Add the chopped pecans and the butter, then using a fork or a pastry cutter, mix until well combined. Once your sweet potatoes have completely cooled, peel them, add them to a mixing bowl, then mix well. Now add the sugar and butter and continue to mix. Add the eggs and milk and continue mixing. Add the salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla extract, then mix until well combined. Pour your sweet potato mixture into your baking dish, then distribute it evenly. Now add your topping. Transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.